Is it better to buy caulk preservation products in bulk or individually for home use? Depends on how often you use caulk and how you store it. If you use caulk frequently, buying larger quantities such as bulk packs of preservation products saves money and reduces waste because you can dedicate a set of storage tools to ongoing projects. For occasional users, small, individual units are preferable because they reduce the risk of unused product drying out and cluttering garage shelves. For either approach, always check the preservation method. Airtight containers, reusable caps, and vacuum-sealed tubes extend shelf life best. When storing tubes upright with the nozzle up and a small dab of mineral oil or compatible solvent in the tip, you can prevent curing at the nozzle without affecting the rest of the tube. If you plan to reuse nozzles, use a cap system that seals tightly and consider labeling the purchase date on each item so you know how old it is before use. For frequent work, keep a simple staging area with a cool, dry shelf away from direct sunlight so temperature fluctuations do not shorten product life. Common mistakes start with buying bulk thinking. You will use it all only to have most tubes cure unused. Avoid this by honestly estimating yearly usage and choosing quantities accordingly. Another issue is improper sealing of open tubes, which causes nozzle clogging and wasted product. Solve this by using reusable caps or storing tubes in an airtight zip bag with the nozzle inverted into a small amount of compatible solvent. A third frequent problem is mixing different brands or chemistries in storage, which can lead to contamination and failed adhesion. Keep products separated, label them, and never transfer cures between silicone and latex products. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and discover product advice related to projects like caulking. We connect contractors with work and host a discussion community where we and our members share real user tips and product experiences.